Here's the way how to make money online with AI for complete beginners without having a website, with no experience at all, using just a free tools and using a very special 100% free traffic source. Hey there, it's Tayez, and I'm happy to have you here with me today. In this video, I'm about to tell you one of the simplest way to make money on Clickbank, and guess what? It's suitable especially for beginners who might not have a website, any prior experience, or a bunch of fancy tools. All you need are free resources and a secret traffic source that's about to become our ticket to double-barreled earnings. You won't believe this, but the traffic source I'm about to share is something unique and untapped. No one seems to have spread the word about this online before. So, if you're on the lookout for a fresh, innovative way to pocket some online cash, this is the best for you. You won't need to slave away for hours. In fact, by investing as little as 15 minutes a day, for just a week, you can kickstart this strategy. All you need to do is watch this video from beginning to end. First, let's kick things off by finding the perfect product to promote. Jump over to clickbank.com, a hub for affiliate marketers. If you don't have an account yet, just sign up right away. Go to Marketplace page and pick your product. Don't forget to filter by gravity. As an example, I've picked out the Ekaria Lean Belly Juice from the Health and Fitness section. The average fee per conversion is quite high, $135. Once you've got your product, explore the affiliate page. Take notes of the content they provide for publishers. Pay attention to what they offer. This information will be your secret weapon when crafting compelling content. The commission is quite high, 75% from the price of product you can sold. Even they can get you 80 to 85% per sell. If we scrolling down, they give an information of their product and that you have to obey. There are demographics, copywriting ideas, and image banners ads that you can use to maximize your earning. Before we jump to next step, just remember, these techniques are flexible and work in any niche you're into. Next, let's hunt down valuable content to use as inspiration for your article. Search for articles with keyword the name of your product, Ekaria Juice. There are several videos and article. Choose one that resonates with you and captures the essence of the product. Here I choose the first blog that's shown up, Ekaria Lean Belly Juice Reviews. Copy article URL for reference. Start writing for free. Now visit writesonic.com and create yourself an account. You know how it goes. Just sign up and insert your email and password. Confirm your email address. Let's not waste time, and then you will be landed on your dashboard. Okay, so this is your dashboard on writesonic.com, and right away you can see that there's a lot of things. Okay, first of all, you have article and blogs. This is our section. Okay, we're gonna choose the AI Article Writer 5.0. For a new user, you get free 10,000 premium words. Just use it wisely with step-by-step I give you in this video. So what do you want to do? First of all, you have to click Add Links. Copy and paste your URL of the article you found earlier for reference. You also need to insert the topic. I just type the name of the product. After that, click Generate Article. And let the AI write an article for you. Wait until the processing done. The beauty of AI is that it can emulate various writing styles, so you can adjust the tone to match your voice. Forget the long hours of brainstorming and writing. This AI tool has got your back. Now this AI tool has been written you an article. It's time to showcase it to the world. Head to medium.com and create an account. Medium is an excellent platform for sharing your content with a vast audience. Copy and paste your AI-generated article into a new post. Grab your affiliate link. Let's go back to Clickbank and click Promote. Because I've been promoting this product, so I don't want to make another link again. After you insert your nickname account and tracking ID, then click Create Hop Link. To shorten your link, go to the bit.ly.com and create new paste your affiliate link from Clickbank in the destination box and give a title for your link, then just click Create. Attach your shortened link into your article. It's crucial to make this insertion seamless, so it feels like a natural extension of the content. I want to adding some picture in my article. Just go back to the affiliate page and download the image. Insert the image between the paragraph like this. Now that your article is up and running, it's time to share it with the world. Take your Medium article and post it on your social media platforms. Craft engaging posts that make people curious and interested. And don't forget to add relevant hashtags to help more people discover your content. Creating content like this is just one part of your online journey. It's a mix of creativity and strategy, where you use AI tools to make your work easier and add your own personal touch. Remember, building a steady income online requires dedication, always learning new things, and being able to adapt to changes. Okay, now you've just taken a big step toward making money online using AI and affiliate marketing. As you go on this journey, keep improving your skills, trying out new strategies, and never stop learning. Your potential is limitless, and the online world is waiting for your ideas. So, go out there and make your words bring you success. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content about making money online using AI effectively. Until next time, and keep working towards your goals.